Hello everybody, I'm Linda with Crafted Design. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to personalize a tumbler I'm personalizing it with my name. So we're going to go through the steps of how to apply the vinyl decal onto the tumbler so that you can have your own very personalized tumbler. All right, so for this video you will need a tumbler of some sort, a cup, a mug will do. This is permanent vinyl, so anything that you want to personalize. So in this case I'm using a tumbler. You will also need a permanent vinyl sticker, with whatever wording or name or whatever you wanted to say. And you also need rubbing alcohol and paper towels, as well as a card like this will do. So this looks very much, it's about the size of a credit card. It's plastic, just to be able to rub it on the surface and make sure that it sticks. Okay, so let's get on with the first step. So I'm going to take my tumbler, and I have a cotton swab here. So I'm gonna, not a cotton swab, I have an alcohol swab. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the surface to get rid of any oils or any kind of residue that might be on the surface of the tumbler. And this is going to help the vinyl stick on the better, and it's going to last longer too. Okay, so once I'm done with that step, I'm gonna go ahead and take the vinyl. So that's my name right there, Linda. I did it in green. This was a gift, and so I did this in the same color to match the straw and the top. So we're gonna go ahead and press, use this card to press on the decal, and that's so that we can get the vinyl to stick to the transfer tape. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and apply pressure in all areas, and I'm going to carefully, let me adjust the camera here. So I'm going to carefully peel back so get the backing out. Let me turn on this side. Okay, so here we go. So what you want to do is, there's that clear side and then there's that white side on the back. So you want to make sure, you see that as I'm peeling back, you can see how the vinyl is not sticking to the transfer tape. So this is not going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it down and I'm going to keep pressing on it again. You want to get the vinyl to stick to the clear side. Okay, so I'm gonna try again. So I'm gonna start pulling back slowly. Okay, so for some reason it might take a few tries, so don't get discouraged. Just gonna go ahead and let me try this side. See what this side is doing. Okay, so this side is working just fine. So I started peeling back, and as you can see, the vinyl is sticking to the clear part, which is exactly what I wanted to do. So I'm going to pull back very slowly. For some reason, the L is being very stubborn. So I'm just going to go back and apply more pressure. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so now it's coming. You see that? So it didn't work when I was pulling it from this side that way. So then I started in the opposite end and pulled it back, and it seems to be doing the trick. So here we are. So we have the vinyl on the clear part. Now I'm going to turn the tumbler sideways. And I'm going to see where, kind of choose that place where I want to have the name. So I don't want to have it too low. I don't want to have it up too high. So I think this is about right in the middle. I'm not measuring, I'm just eyeballing. So if you wanted to measure, you could. If you want it perfectly centered. So I'm going to just turn this over so it's easier for me to see. So I'm going to start by setting it. Let me see. I'm not sure that's where I want it. Okay, I think this is the spot. So I'm not applying pressure just yet. So all I'm doing right now is I am simply setting it down like so. And I'm going to start right at the center, start pressing up and down, and then I'm going to move to the side, like so. And then I'm going to do that again, and one more time. And so what this does, if you start at the center and then move to the side, you're getting rid of any potential air bubbles that might get stuck there. So I'm going to keep doing that a few more times. Now I'm going to take my card, plastic card, and I'm going to go ahead and just press on it and focusing on every letter so that it stays on it sticks to the tumbler. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna peel back the transfer tape slowly. And as you're pulling back, if you notice that the vinyl is sticking to the transfer tape, then what you would do is you simply go back. So like, let's say that the N, I notice that the N is sticking. I'd simply go back, set it down, press on it again, and then repeat the process until I'm able to get the vinyl to stick to the surface. And it looks like I didn't have to do that. Just pull that back, and easy as that. There you go. So now I have my very own personalized tumbler. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. My name on it. I think I probably needed a slightly darker shade of green, but it still looks very awesome. I love it. Okay, so of course, another way to do it, I could have probably just gone to the side because I have a short name, but I like this. I like how it turned out. So it's that simple, you guys. So if you're interested, if you don't have a Cricut machine and if you want to get a personalized vinyl, permanent vinyl, I do have an Etsy shop where I can do that for you, and I have different fonts and I have different colors. So go ahead and click on the description and go ahead and click on the link in the description box if you're interested. And I will be doing a lot more tutorials on how to personalize different stuff. Christmas is coming, holidays are coming, so I'll be doing a lot of good stuff. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.